Ciao! Welcome in Roma, Authentic Beauty Concept. We are at the premiere of Emily in Paris and you are getting ready with me. Honestly, I couldn't do without ABC. I've been using the product now for a year and I really noticed a real change in my hair. Emily in Paris is becoming Emily in Rome, I guess. The last episode was shot here. The most exciting part about season 4 is going more into each character storyline, and mine is specifically deeper and darker. And tonight the character is pretty much a villain, so we're doing this amazing hairstyle that is very original and edgy. I'm very honored that I got to have a costume dress by Atelier Versace. The shape of the dress with the magnificent hair that you did. And very natural makeup except the lips. We're giving it like a 90 vibe.
Just a little bit.
A last touch up, the strong hold hairspray.